Hi, this is Cynthia Silva. You may know me already from Facebook. Here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to explain 35 free tools you can use to promote your business online. Tool number one is Pixlr. This is a photo editor, no installation required. Save anywhere you like. Tool number two is Bing. You can capture any image and program that lets you capture basic video, animation, and still image. Tool number three is a Google Keyword Planner, which help you to do keyword research and do SEO to get your product in Google first page. Tool number four is a Sure Password Generator and Manager. It is called LastPass. LastPass.com is a cloud-based application. You can download anywhere in the world and any computer, any device. You can use the program. Tool number five is Evernote. It's a notebook actually. You can use it to take notes. It's an online version of notebooks, and it is also a cloud-based application. Setmore is a scheduling calendar for your appointments and all. Tool number 7 is the Google Drive. You can save any document in Google Drive and download it whenever you want, or you can email the link to someone if you think they need the document. And upper suggestion is to find keywords. Tool number 9, SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is the website which will help you to find the traffic source of your competitors, and you can do reverse engineering and beat the competitors, and you'll be the number one. Mousebar is a free tool. You can use it for SEO, powerful SEO tool, and data while you serve online. Google Alert. Google Alert is get update on information people posting every time. So it is an online tool, a social media managing and scheduling tool. OpenOffice. It's a free alternative tool for Office. Canva is a fantastic tool to create banners and for Facebook posts and everything. Even you can use it for email, your ebook covers. Blog topic generator is enter your keyword and it will generate topic. BubbleMind is a mind map tool. If you have any idea, using this tool you can plan out how to do research and how to create a product and how to sell. So the mind map tool is a cloud-based one. Royalty-free musics are also available. You can download it and use it for anywhere you like. But there are some music you can purchase. Domain suggestion and search. It's a domain spot. Tool number 19 is a Hemingway app copyright tool. Tool number 20. Tool number 21. Key solution for file downloadable. Tool number 22 is a TinyBing. TinyBng.com is a compress your image if you want to email to someone. Incompetence, the music MP3 Screencast-O-Matic is a free screen record tool. Wayback Machine, Internet Archivers useful. SumoMe, a website tool to help traffic growth. GTmetrix, analyze your site speed and make it fast. Winara, a downloadable free software tool unzip and zip your files. MP3 Skywriter, free MP3 Skype. Clipping image is an instantly remove background. Convert, paste and generate tool, very hot online tool. Bitly, URL shortener, this is a very useful tool. But direct inside this. Thank you for watching my video. Please feel free to ask any question. Click the link below and download your report. And see you in the next video. Please feel free to comment and share. Thank you.